two different times. The year makes no difference. This would look the same this morning if this was done like this. It doesn't matter when it was, it would look exactly the same. This is normal. This is with a partial atelectasis because they put the trach tube a little bit too far down, and there's no way to know how far without looking at it on an x-ray when they're doing it pre-surgical. And so they look to see, is it too far? Yes, it's too far because it went into the right main stem bronchus. So what is the right lung starting to do? Or the left lung, rather. It's starting to lose volume, isn't it? So basically, we're sucking the air out of the water bottle. Remember we talked about that? Mm-hmm. And that's what we're doing. We're sucking the air out of the water bottle because this is active atelectasis. This is the same as blocking the main stem bronchus because this is just basically obstructing the flow of air. So they look at that and say, oh, we got it a little bit too far, so they just pull it out a little bit. You know, pull it out 5 centimeters or so. Air's going to go back in, this thing's going to reinflate. The lung wants to be inflated. And as soon as the obstruction is removed, it'll reinflate. There's nothing permanent about atelectasis except cicatrix atelectasis, because scar is permanent. So fibrothorax or cicatrix atelectasis are permanent. Resorption is not permanent. Passive's not permanent unless it's something that's permanent causing it. Pneumothorax is not permanent. Hydrothorax is not permanent. But fibrothorax is because it's scar. Cicatrix atelectasis, remember, is internal to the interstitium. That's permanent. This is not permanent. Pull this back, the lung reinflates. That's all it takes. So this is a form of resorption involving the entire left lung. And you can see the diaphragm's already coming up. Somewhere it's up in here. The heart's moving over, see it? So this came up, this is moving because we're losing volume. Okay? Not a big change in the rib interspaces. Trachea shifted very, very slightly. So the whole thing's starting to move and everything's going toward the involved side.